Just one product is enough to unclog your drain, and you probably already have it at home. No need to spend money on expensive store-bought chemicals. Drains usually get blocked by hair, cosmetic residue, and various liquids. The water starts draining more slowly, which quickly becomes annoying. First, dry the drain thoroughly and wipe it with some paper. This product works best on a dry surface. Now, apply it directly onto the drain and leave it for a few minutes to do its job. During that time, it starts breaking down hair, buildup, and residue that block the flow of water. Then, prepare some hot water and slowly flush it down. You'll see the water suddenly begin to drain much faster. The drain becomes clean and clear, almost like new. The whole process takes just a moment and doesn't require any effort or harsh chemicals. All you need is a regular hair removal cream you already have in your bathroom. It contains active ingredients that dissolve keratin, making it perfect for dealing with hair and buildup in the drain. A simple trick with surprisingly effective results. Try it once, and you'll keep coming back to it.